In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record donations in QuickBooks Online. Recording donations accurately is an important part of managing your finances, especially if you're keeping track for tax purposes or charitable contributions. QuickBooks Online makes it easy to organize these entries with just a few simple steps, ensuring your records stay clear and up to date. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just looking for a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process from start to finish. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now, let's dive into the tutorial. First, locate the New button at the top left corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Once you find it, click on it to open the menu options. From here, choose Expense from the drop-down menu. This will allow you to start recording the donation as an expense in your account. Next, it's time to specify the payee. In the payee field, you can search for the name of the individual or organization you're donating to. If the name is already listed, simply select it from the options provided. However, if the payee isn't listed, you'll need to add a new one. Make sure to fill in all the relevant details accurately before moving forward. After that, you'll need to choose the payment account. This is the account from which the donation was or will be made. For example, you might select a checking account, savings account, or even a credit card. Be sure to pick the appropriate account so that your records remain accurate. Now, let's create a new category specifically for the donation. This involves adding a new account where you can categorize charitable contributions. Start by naming the new account. A clear and descriptive name like donations or charitable giving works well. Once you've named the account, you'll need to set the account type for this step. Choose Expenses as the account type. Then, set the detail type to Charitable Contributions. These settings ensure that your donations are classified correctly within your QuickBooks records. When you've entered all the details for the new category, click Save to store the information. This will add the donation category to your account, making it available for use in future transactions as well. Now it's time to enter the donation amount. Be sure to input the amount accurately so that your financial records reflect the correct value of your contribution. Finally, click Save and Close to finalize the transaction. This will complete the process, and your donation will now be recorded in QuickBooks Online. And that's it. You've successfully recorded a donation in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.